Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I want to share a very simple vegan burger recipe. The last video I put out on Wednesday was the 2-ingredient quinoa pizza, and you guys seem to really like that, so I thought it would be fun to do more kind of junk food, fast food favorites, but in healthy vegan ways. And I just thought burgers would be good, so I'm going to share a recipe that is very simple. You can definitely add in different ingredients for flavor if you want. You could also add in different vegetables because this burger is more like beans and oats, and you could add in diced onions or diced mushrooms, shredded carrots, whatever you like. But if you are new to making vegan burgers, this is a really good burger to start with because it's just really easy to throw together. It bakes in about probably 14 minutes altogether. And yeah, feel free to tinker with it, but this is a good base recipe and I hope you like it. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Crack open a can of black beans and drain and rinse in the sink. Add the beans to a mixing bowl and mash them with, I think this is a potato masher, or simply a fork until most of the beans are mashed. And it's totally okay if some of the beans are still whole because that'll just contribute to the texture. Add in some rolled oats, mustard, ketchup, garlic powder, and onion powder, and give that all a really good mix. Next, you can line a baking sheet with parchment paper, grab some batter, roll it into a ball, and flatten into burger shapes. Bake for 7 minutes, carefully flip over, and bake for another 7 minutes, or until it's crispy on the outside. You can dress up a bun or bread with condiments and enjoy. If you'd like more healthy vegan recipes, you can hop on over to our website and check out our vegan weight loss meal plans, which are 50% off right now, free starter guide, recipes, and articles. Thanks so much for tuning in today, guys. I hope you have a great day ahead, and I'll see you soon. Bye.